Hi there, welcome back to MHB Auto Vlogs. Today we're gonna review the Ford Ranger 2021. Well, the Ford Ranger is a lifestyle pickup truck. So it is intended to take away the customers from Toyota Hilux in the Nissan Navara. So we're gonna do some off-roading and on-roading. So as per the looks is concerned, we got in the white color. There are more 7 colors available to select, and this Ford Ranger is an excellent off-roader also. It is intended to not just for the commercial purpose, but it's a lifestyle pickup also. And talking about the design, it looks very plushed, and you can see a lot of chrome is available in this car. And we are having the automatic projector headlamps. So as far as the side profile is concerned, we are having 16-inch alloy wheels is available in this car, and it's a 2.2 liter 6-speed automatic gearbox available in this car. And there are a lot of chrome is used, and this is for the climbing purpose. There is a ladder is available, and here also some chrome garnish everywhere, and there are huge chrome bar is available, and it's integrated with the stoplight also. And here is the rear profile. Well, it's pretty heavy, and this is the bed, and you can see there is some garnish over here, and that is for it's a anti-rust, and rust will not be formed. And it's a 1181 liters of boot space, and you can carry stuff up to 1.1 ton of anything material for commercial inventory and all. And it is having one tower, and as far as the towing is concerned, you can tow up to around 3.5 tons of some vehicle or whatever it is. So as far as the interiors are concerned, well, the interiors are very plushed, and you can see there is a whole lot of plastic, but it is the same with the competition also. Even the Hilux and the Navara comes with the plastic interiors, but I like the interiors. Must say this is the best in class, and it is having the reverse parking camera and sensor, and there is a zoom functionality also available, which makes a parking whole lot easier. And talking about the steering, there is a lot of features available. First in the segment, must say, there is telephony, there is cruise control, and there is a speed limiter, and there is a lot of off-roading functionality available. The 2 high and 4 high and 4 low is available. That means, and there is a rear differential lock is available in this car, and there is a hill decline assist and traction control. Whole lot of features are available, and there is one driver information system which is quite exceptional, must say. And there is a tire pressure monitoring system, which is quite handy features. And now talking about the safety, in terms of safety, we are having dual airbags in the front. And talking about, there are a lot of cubby holes, and there is one armrest available that makes, in terms of practicality, it really excels, must say. Great job done by Ford. So talking about the second row seats, there is a very good second row seats. It's very comfortable seats. Cushioning has been very well taken care of, and here we are having only one charging outlet. There is no second row AC is available. In this car, we are having the AC is performing very well in the front, so no need for the second row cabin, I think. And there is whole lot of legroom and the headroom. Well, talking about the performance, well, the Ford Ranger 2021 is powered by a 2.2 liter turbo diesel engine, which puts out 152 bhp of power and 385 Newton meter of torque. Well, on the roads, it feels very planted and very optimized, and on the off-roading also, the car has impressed me very well. Well, talking about its key competitors are the Toyota Hilux and the Nissan Navara. So what makes this car so special? Its interiors. Well, whenever you're driving this car, you will never feel you are driving a pickup truck or something. You would rather feel you are driving some premium SUV and all. The car is enhanced in terms of features. There are a whole lot of features and safeties available in this car, and moreover, this is a diesel engine, so you will see a lot of cabin noise when compared to the other of its rivals. So, but there are some distinct advantages available in this car. So the diesel engine means you will be having more engine life. The engines last longer, the diesel engines, when compared to the petrol engines, and moreover this car is having remarkable fuel efficiency of 700 kilometers of its one full tank. And moreover this car is an excellent off-roader. It has impressed me a lot in terms of off-roading and all, and on the road it feels very kind of a lifestyle truck rather than commercial pickup. And don't get me wrong, because this car is in white color, so we have more 7 colors to choose from. And what are the talking about the key selling points for this car? Well, the key selling point is, first and foremost, I love its interiors when compared to its competition. There are a whole lot of equipment available. The tiny infotainment system, the steering, mounted controls, everything has been very premium, and the seating and cushioning is very comfortable. Even I've done some long journeys in this car, I never feel tired or exhausted. And moreover, this car's performance is pretty exceptional when compared to its rivals. Just put your foot down, it's very effortless to drive, and anyone can drive this car. And the suspension setup, I love the most the suspension setup. Even on the off-roads and all, the car feels very comfortable and all. We will be doing some off-roading stuff with the Ford Ranger 2021 XLS. So whether off-road or on-road, the Ford Ranger has impressed me a lot, and there are a lot of off-roading features available, like the red lock differential, 4 high and 4 low. Whenever you want to switch to higher speeds, you can switch to 4 high, and whenever you are driving to the desert with the lower speeds, then you can switch to the 4 low. And the handling is very exceptional, must say, due to its suspension. Whenever the blanket is empty, the suspensions come into play, and gives lot more composed ride when compared to its rivals. And moreover, the gearbox, well, the 6-speed gearbox impressed me a lot. It's modern, it's rugged, and it's excellent off-roader. Well, the price tag of 125,000 is it worth? Yes, absolutely, yeah. In absolute yes, because it's having a lot of off-roading capabilities, it's a lifestyle pickup, and it's having lots of practicality and loaded with lots of equipment. It excels in every parameter. So before there was norms that only Emiratis or the organizations can purchase this car. Now you and I, anyone can go to the Ford showroom and buy this car. So hope you like the video useful. Like, share and subscribe, and be a part of our notification squad. Thank you so much.